Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hamburger Helper. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of ground beef and your chosen Hamburger Helper box. Begin by browning the ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook until no pink remains, breaking it apart as it cooks. Once fully browned, carefully drain any excess fat from the skillet. This step is crucial for a less greasy and more enjoyable meal. Next, it's time to combine the liquids and seasoning. Add 2 1/2 cups of hot water, 2 cups of milk, and the seasoning packet from your Hamburger Helper box to the skillet with the brown beef. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the seasoning is fully dissolved. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. This prepares the liquid for cooking the pasta perfectly. Once the liquid is boiling, stir in the pasta from your Hamburger Helper box. Make sure all the pasta is submerged in the liquid. Reduce the heat to medium-low, then cover the skillet tightly. Let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes or until the pasta is tender. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the pasta from sticking and ensure even cooking. This step is key for perfectly cooked pasta. Finally, remove the skillet from the heat and let your Hamburger Helper stand for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the sauce to thicken to the perfect consistency. Give it one last stir, then it's ready to serve. You can garnish with shredded cheese or fresh herbs for an extra touch of flavor. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.